The Smart Kitchen Revolution. Top trends that will define cooking in 2025. The kitchen is no longer just a place to cook. It's a lifestyle zone, a tech hub, and a sustainability powerhouse. As we move through 2025, kitchen design and habits are evolving at lightning speed. From smart appliances that think for you, to AI-enhanced nutrition tracking and ultra-compact solutions for small homes. The modern kitchen is about more than food. It's about harmony, intelligence, and personalization. Let's explore the most compelling kitchen trends shaping the way we cook, eat, and live. One of the most visible shifts in modern kitchens is the surge of AI-powered appliances. Refrigerators now suggest recipes based on what's inside them, automatically generate shopping lists, and even sync with your meal plans. Ovens are equipped with internal cameras and sensors that adjust cooking times in real time. AI-driven cooking assistants embedded into devices or accessed via smart displays guide users through step-by-step cooking while tracking dietary goals and food sensitivities. Voice commands can control the entire cooking process, making the kitchen increasingly hands-free. These innovations are not only improving convenience, but also helping reduce food waste, improve health outcomes, and support mindful cooking. Sustainability remains a dominant force in kitchen trends. Urban composting solutions are getting smarter and sleeker, designed to fit in even the most compact apartment kitchens. Water-saving dishwashers and faucets with real-time consumption feedback are gaining popularity. Induction cooktops that conserve energy and reduce emissions are becoming the new standard. Consumers are increasingly demanding sustainable packaging, reusable containers, and plant-based storage wraps over single-use plastic. These trends are being fueled by rising consumer consciousness and regulatory shifts pushing for eco-friendly building standards and product certifications in residential kitchens. Small space solutions are having a major moment in 2025. As urban living tightens and minimalism takes hold, modular and transformable kitchen units are reshaping apartment interiors. Countertops double as storage compartments. Foldable appliances hide inside cabinetry. And dining tables convert into prep surfaces. High-efficiency vertical shelving makes use of often wasted wall space, while magnetic systems keep tools and utensils accessible yet neatly stored. Even cooking tools are getting smarter and smaller. Multifunctional devices that can sauté, blend, and steam from one base unit are now commonplace. These innovations allow anyone, even in the tiniest studio apartment, to experience a full-functioning kitchen without sacrificing aesthetics or space. The personalization trend is redefining how kitchens look and feel. Digitally backsplashes change colors based on the time of day or your mood. Smart lighting systems adjust hue and intensity depending on whether you're cooking, entertaining, or winding down. Custom voice assistants can be programmed with your favorite recipes, dietary restrictions, and even preferred cuisines. Even pantry organization is going digital, with apps that scan barcodes or RFID tags to track inventory and expiry dates. This hyper-personalized approach extends to design as well. Modular kitchen components can now be ordered online and reconfigured at will, allowing homeowners to update their kitchen without full renovation. The kitchen of 2025 is not just smarter, but more you than ever before.